Hey everybody, and this is Python part 3, and if you haven't seen Python part 2, then you should go ahead and see that part before you see this part. So anyways, this is Python part 3, and in this part we will be learning how to make a guess game. It's pretty simple. I have it right over here. This is all the code for it. I'm going to be going step by step how to make the game. So let's get started. What you're going to need is you're going to open IDEO. Once you open IDEO, you're going to it should be looking like this. If it doesn't look like that, then you probably have a different version of IDEO. Mine is 3.8 3.8.5, and we're going to be doing it on a shell. We're not going to be doing it on the new file. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to type hash. Anything that comes starts with a hash, that means it's not a code. So we're just naming this we're just naming the code what we're going to be naming it. So in this case, I'm going to be naming it let's say welcome. Oh no, we can call it Fies GUE. Let's guess the NUMB number game. So we click that, and that is not a code, that's why it didn't do anything to it. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna import, sorry, my I was capital, and we're gonna import random. And what that does is it's basically a random. What it does is, so we're making a guess game, right? So in a guess game, you just randomly guess whatever like the number is. You don't know what the number is, you're just guessing the number. So we're just gonna need random for this in this case. So then we're gonna type GUESSES guesses TAKEN taken equals 0, and then we're gonna be typing print open parentheses close parentheses, and then we're gonna be typing hello exclamation mark, what is your name? So basically what we're doing right here is when you open the game, I should be doing it I think it'll be better if we do it on the new file. So let's just open a new file and do it over there. So ours was hash Fies GUE let's guess game, and hit enter. I think the new file is better, because if you make a mistake, you can't fix it in the shell. You can only fix it in the new file. And also don't forget to save your file. And also, if you didn't know, we created a folder in the Python part 1, and you go in your folder, you can just say you can say yes game, and we just saved it. And then we're gonna say let's just put a full stop here, and then we're gonna type import random. You import like I said in the beginning, random is like we're making a guess game. In a guess game, we're basically just guessing. So random is the one that's gonna be helping us for this this game. So we import random and then we're gonna type how many guesses has been taken. First, gonna be setting up a variable for that. Guess GUESSES guesses TAKEN taken equals 0, and then my name equals input. So basically, when you open the game, when I run the module, it's gonna basically it's gonna be basically like, first it's gonna ask me, uh, like print. It's gonna just print hello, what is your name, and then I'm gonna type my name. My name is Fiz, and then it's gonna say, hey Fiz, and then like it's just gonna start. So we're gonna be setting up everything for that. And also I forgot to print the open parentheses, close parentheses, and we're gonna be typing hello, what is your name, question mark. And then like we just set everything up for this, when we run the module, it's gonna basically access the question. See, hello, what is your name? I'm gonna say Fiz. And right now it's not gonna do basically anything because we haven't set up like anything like major, but like you see how we told it to print hello, what is your name, and then in my my name equals input, like we're gonna be writing our name right over here. So that is, and then after the my name, we're gonna be typing number equals random dot randid, and then 1 comma 20. It's basically we're gonna be basically saying it. Okay. I'm guessing a number between 1 to 20. So then I'm gonna guess a number between 1 to 20. So it's gonna be thinking a number in his brain, and through 1 to 20, and I'm gonna be trying to guess the number. So then we're gonna be like print well, and then we're gonna be saying the plus sign, my name plus, and then comma, I am thinking of a number mean 1 and 20. So it's gonna basically print that, and then we're gonna be so for that, and then we're gonna type for GUESSESTAKEN, guess is taken, TAKEN, in RANGE, range, open parentheses, close parentheses, 6, and then we're gonna be right here typing our code, print take, and then it's gonna be telling us like okay, now and then when we say hey, and then we type our name, it's gonna say hey Fiz, well I'm guessing a number between 1 to 20, and then beneath that it's gonna say take a guess. We're gonna be taking a guess, and then we're gonna be typing hash for SPA CESP in FROUNT front of PRINT, print. And also this is not a code, so it's not gonna say it's not gonna count as a code. So every time I put hash, it's not gonna count as a code. You see, it turns red, so it's not a code. So GUE guess equals input GUE guess equals INT guess, and then we're gonna be giving a space. Don't give if you were in shell, if you're doing it on shell and you don't know how to do it on the new file, all you gotta do is click new file and it makes a new file. And you don't want to do it on the new file, you want to do it on the shell, then it's harder to do it on the shell. It's easier to do it on the new file. So then we're going to be clicking if guess alligator facing to the right number, and then we're going to be typing our code right over beneath the U, print. And also I made a chart for you guys which explains all the operator and the operation. So basically the alligator facing to the right is less than, and the alligator facing to the left is greater than. So then if it's alligator facing to the right and the equal sign, that means less than or equal to, and the alligator facing to the left and the equal sign greater than or equal to. And then if you put two equal signs, that's equal to, and if you put exclamation mark and equal sign, that equals not equal to. So I made that chart for you guys as well. So, and then we're gonna type print your GUESS is too low, and then if it's let's say where it's guessing a number 15 and I'm saying you're guessing number 3, then it's gonna say your guess is way too low, your guess is not like it's way too low, so it's just gonna say that. And then if now we're gonna be setting up a variable for like if it's too high, guess alligator facing to the left equals greater than, and then number, and then we're gonna be print and then your guess is too high. So if it's too high, it's gonna say that yours is too high. And also if you don't want to you don't want to keep on typing, what you can do is like you can copy this from here and you can just print it down here. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just typing it again so you guys can so I can go step by step with you guys. But if you guys want to copy and paste it like that, you can just copy and paste it and then go down here, you click this and it just copies what you wrote up there. And then but when you copy it, you make sure you're gonna write high. So just don't forget to write high. So you can copy if you want. So then if your guess is number too high, it's gonna give you that. Alright, now we're gonna be setting up a variable if guess equals number. Then if say if it was guessing the number 7 and I also guessed the number 7, then it's gonna say, oh, congratulations, you guessed the number I was guessing in my mind. So we're going to be setting up a variable for that as well. GUESSES guesses taken equals str, and then we're going to be typing now we're going to be typing, it's going to basically tell us how many guesses it took us to guess its number. So let's say it was guessing number 10. I say okay, you're not guessing number 3, then I say number 5, then I say number 10. So it took me 3 guesses to guess the number. So set up the variable for this, ss guesses taken takens taken equal 1, and then for that print, sorry for that, and then we're going to be printing print. Then we're going to be printing good job, you guessed the number I was guessing in my mind. Good job, and then we're going to be saying plus my name. So we good job plus my name, so it's gonna say good job Fies. If you wrote your name up here, like we said, my name equals Fies, so over here it's gonna say good job plus Fies plus, and then exclamation mark, you GUESSE guessed my number, my NUMB, my number. So that's for that, and then we're gonna be typing the code if guessed exclamation mark number equals str. Nope, that we did not guess the number. Like on the first try, let's say the number was 7 and we wrote the number was 3, it's gonna give us nope. The number I was thinking was 7 or something like that. So if it you can also set up, like, let's say it says you can guess my number, you have 5 guesses, and in those guesses you have to guess my number. So we're going to be setting up a variable for that as well, and then let me get this down over here, and then we're going to be saying in like how many guesses you guessed it, so plus, and then we're going to be saying GUESS guesses taken equals, and then guesses plus GUESSES guesses exclamation mark, and then we're going to be hitting the enter, and then we're going to be typing the code for if GUE guess exclamation mark equals number, and then we're going to be typing number equals str, and then we're going to be writing in parentheses, we're going to be writing the number, so like it's going to be and then we're going to be typing print, like we guessed number 3, and it says it's going to be saying nope, the number I was thinking thinking of was, the number I was thinking of was it was, like, let's say number plus, and then we're gonna be typing that like that, and then we're gonna be putting that. So that is the code for it. And also you can type your own name in the you can type your own name in it, and also please don't forget this, you can copy it in your notes. All you gotta do is just type use notes on the Windows search bar, and then notes come up, or you can download Notepad++. I also like Notepad++, and that is also very helpful. So please write this in your notes. And also you can create a new folder. I also created a new folder saying Python notes, and this is where I'm going to be keeping my notes. So you guys can also create a new folder and name it Python notes, and you can keep your notes over here. Or you can copy a code, like there's a code that you wanted and you need this code to like you want to copy this code and you want to work on it later, so you can just copy it on the Notepad++, or you can copy it on the Notepad. And then when you're gonna need the code, then you just press Control C and Control V, and then you just go on the Python IDEal, on the Python new file of the IDEal. Because if you do it on the Python shell, it's not gonna work, because you have to go step by step on it, and if you do it over here, it'll just accept it. So let's now run our game. So it's saying, hello, what is your name? I'm gonna say Fies. It says, well, Fies, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 20. Take a guess. Alright, let's say 9. No, your number is too low. Nope, nope, the number I was thinking was 14. So it's saying I was thinking of the number 14 and we didn't guess the number. So that is all for today. So if you guys liked the game, then please make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video. And that is it. Have a great day. Bye bye.